Let's see how the selection widget or the special filter works on the GISCARTA platform. For doing this, we will use 3 layers: world cities, world countries, and Amsterdam cafes. So let's open the widget. Here it is, and see the options, how we can select features, how we can filter them on the map. First of all, of course, we have several possibilities to select features. For example, let's turn off world countries and select it by the rectangle. So you can select it, you can add the selection, you will see the statistics of the numerical fields here. For example, here we have only 2 fields and we'll see the statistics. Also, you can use circle, freehand polygons, lasso, or transport isochrones. So let's see how they work. Let's clear the selection and zoom to the Amsterdam. For example, let's choose going by foot, 10 minutes service areas. And here we will see the resulting selection. So for example, we can see the total figures and minimum and maximum value of the price of the coffee here. Also, we can add some features to the selection. And also the part of the selection widget is the possibility to export the resulting features to the popular formats, for example, Excel, GeoJSON, or shapefile. And the last option of the selecting features is the selecting by layer. So let's see it. Let's clear the selection. Let's zoom to Europe and let's select cities by countries. So we will choose world countries layer here with the selected objects. We can choose the filtered objects, but right now let's see how works the selecting on the map. And then we will select, for example, France. And here you can see that all cities inside France are selected. Also, we can add, for example, Spain, UK, and so on. So this is the selecting by layer, and also the selecting widget can be connected with the dashboards. So let's close the layers list, for example, let's clear the selection, and let's open the dashboards. Here it is. Here we have 3 dashboards depending on the world cities layer. And for example, let's select by countries again. Let's see here. So as you can see, our dashboards are changing on the fly. So how we can set this on the dashboards? We can go to the dashboard settings here. So here we can set if the selection or special filtering allows to change dashboards on the fly. So for example, we can click not allow, and as you can see, dashboards are changing, or clicking allow. So only selected features will be the datasets for the charts. So this is the selection widget or the special filtering on the GISCARTA platform.